Imagine a world where your work tasks flow seamlessly like a well-oiled machine. Welcome to the age of AI-driven workflows. In this video, we'll explore how orchestrating AI agent workflows can drastically improve employee productivity. Businesses often struggle with fragmented tasks and data silos. This creates pain points, misalignment, and inefficiencies. To overcome these challenges, organizations must establish a strategic foundation. This involves aligning executive sponsors, functional leaders, IT architects, and end users on shared objectives. Start by clearly defining your productivity objectives and use cases. Document your current state and assess your existing processes. This clarity will set the baseline for successful design, integration, and deployment activities. Creating a structured AI workflow is crucial. It maps each task to clear steps, assigning responsibilities between human contributors and automated agents. This ensures that every action is visible and repeatable, thus eliminating manual delays. Each workflow begins with triggers, events that initiate a series of actions. These may stem from data arrival, user requests, or scheduled occurrences. Outputs can be delivered to users, forwarded to other systems, or utilized for ongoing optimization. Every effective workflow requires a decision engine. This component applies business rules and model predictions to determine the best path forward based on defined criteria. Additionally, an orchestration layer coordinates activities, allowing AI agents and humans to work synergistically. But what happens when something goes wrong? Robust monitoring and logging systems capture metrics on execution times and error rates. This data supports compliance reviews and performance analysis, paving the way for continuous improvement. Integrating core enterprise systems such as CRM and ERP platforms further streamlines workflows. Through REST APIs or event-driven messaging, AI agents seamlessly interact with existing software, creating a coherent ecosystem. AI agents excel at managing high-volume tasks and recognizing patterns. They can automate not just simple operations, but also complex decision-making processes. For instance, invoice processing uses AI OCR services to extract data, enabling swift and accurate approvals. However, it's important to note that these automated systems also require human oversight. In circumstances where decisions exceed predefined thresholds, a human handoff ensures quality and compliance. By leveraging AI as a unifying operating model, organizations can bridge operational silos and enhance overall efficiency. As we move into the realm of potential pitfalls, recognize the importance of governance, security, and compliance. Establishing clear protocols and roles will guide your AI initiatives and minimize risk. Regular audits and monitoring keep these systems in check. Finally, embrace scaling and continuous improvement. Set clear success metrics, such as cycle time reduction and issue elimination, to track performance. By fostering a culture of feedback and adaptation, you ensure your AI workflows remain efficient and effective over time. In conclusion, by orchestrating AI agent workflows, businesses can reclaim efficiency and productivity. Ready to revitalize your workplace? Visit the Ogvation web store today to dive deeper into AI-powered productivity and unlock your organization's potential. Start your journey now. Click the link below to explore more. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the links below.